Namaste everyone. I'm Prerna Vaswani and I'm the founder of Prerna Spreading Inspiration. Welcome to another episode of Prerna Spreading Inspiration, which is an MSME registered podcast platform dedicated to sharing stories that educate, empower, and inspire lives. So at Prerna Spreading Inspiration, we believe that every meaningful conversation has the power to change, to empower, to inspire. And today's topic is very close to my heart, that is success without sacrifice, balancing career and mental well-being. So today's fast-paced world, many young professionals believe that stress, sleepless nights, and burnout are price of success. But is that really true? So let's explore this important conversation with someone special who has dedicated her career to helping young minds that has become both career ready and emotional resilient. So it's my pleasure to welcome Ms. Diyadar Mishra. She is the founder and lead coach of Skillwell Academy, a mental wellness and career readiness academy that is committed to transforming young professionals into confident, job ready, and emotionally resilient individuals. So she is MBA in HR, postgraduate diploma in mental health counseling, recognizing that career success and mental well-being go hand in hand. She founded Skillwell Academy to bridge the gap between professional development and emotional wellness. So she has empowered 500 graduates, postgraduates, and scholars across India. So there is many more to tell about her. That she is career readiness coach, mental health counselor, entrepreneur, and passionate advocate for youth empowerment and mental well-being. So welcome Dia ma'am on our podcast platform. It's really an honor.
Thank you very much. Pleasure is mine, Prerna. I just think that I'm audible and visible to everybody. And
Yes,
I
yes,
think it's beautiful to be on this platform, Prerna, where you are actually spreading words and stories which are beyond surface level. I think we all are on, I think we all are, whatever we are doing to create an impact. So I think you are
yes,
also doing this podcast to create an impact. Each and every entrepreneurs present in the entire, in the entire country or in the world for that matter, each and everybody is working towards creating impact. And I think every single day when we wake up, we always wake up with the thought that what's next? What is the impact that we are going to
yes,
create?
yes. That's really wonderful, Dia ma'am. And let's begin with simple yet powerful question. So I would like to understand that when you hear the phrase success without sacrifice, so what does it personally mean to you?
Thank you for asking this question. I think one of the important things that I want to mention here is you yourself in the introduction told that where we are, making this as a badge, that stress, burnout, and all of these things. We wear this as badges, right? So now in the sphere of social media, we are actually embracing 70 hours, 60 hours of work, right? Whenever we are saying that, oh my God, we had sleep, I couldn't sleep last night, we think, oh my God, the person is so busy. It's so good. The
Yes,
person is doing really well in life. When we are saying that, oh my God, I couldn't sleep last night, I was keeping too busy, I'm having a very difficult weekend, I'm having a very busy weekend, are we need to question ourselves, what are we embracing? Are we
yes,
embracing the correct thing is the question, right? And given the fact that we are in the age of social media, every single time we are seeing somebody's goodness, somebody's achievements, and then we start comparing ourselves and our journeys. So I think that is not something that we need to do, right? So yeah,
correct.
so I think burnout is different and tiredness is different. So success in the process of losing ourselves, I don't think that is something which is worth achieving. which is why
That's
I think
really,
I'm yeah, which is why I
yes,
think I've started my Scalewell Academy with the only thought process that I am not, it's a disclaimer that I am not going to be another career readiness coach. I always wanted to merge both of them. Scalewell Academy is about not interviews primarily, not resumes primarily, but the human who is behind all of these struggles and success.
yes,
So,
very true. And that's really a beautiful perspective, I can say. And I think many people chase success but rarely stop to define what success truly means to them.
right.
So, and I've seen that every successful person has a journey filled with lessons. So, from your own journey, what has been the biggest lesson about protecting your mental well being while building a successful career?
Oh my God, a question which is very, very close to my heart. So honestly, everything, when everything looks good on paper, हमें खुद को ये पूछनी चाहिए, are we really doing good, right? So if I have to talk about my own journey, I did my MBA and then I was the head HR VP in Shadowfax. I was managing more than 600 employees and I was in a very important position in that particular organization. I was heading a lot of pilot projects there, a lot of very good projects, right? But I used to question myself one thing: Am I really doing good? Am I really happy? Because honestly, Prerna, whenever I used to return home, I used to come home exhausted, and we all know that, sorry to put it forward, but we are extremely replaceable. आज मुझे
Yes,
कुछ हो जाएगा, आज किसी को हो जाएगा, द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, yes it cares, but हमें लगता है it cares a lot, but do they care that much? No.
no,
One day somebody is out, the next day, me being an HR, telling you, the next day the JD will be ready and out in the market, in the job portals, right? So I think from my own journey, what I've understood, what I've learned, and what I really want to tell everybody, and I'm sure you being a corporate professional and juggling your own podcast platform, I think it's commendable. But I think one of the things you will agree with me, which I've learned, is protecting inner peace and having correct boundaries is very, very important. The boundaries are very important, right?
very
Questioning
true,
myself.
very true.
Yes, questioning our own selves. Whatever I'm doing, I'm really happy. Am I really happy? Am I really doing good for myself? Because I'm sure you also know a lot of people. There are a lot of people who has given up in their hobbies, who has given up in their own social circles because of the job that they are doing. Right? So I think balancing is very important here and not losing
Correct.
ourselves. Yeah.
यस यस वेरी ट्रू यस आई ऑल्सो सीन कि मैंने भी देखा है कि 19 साल का जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपीरियंस तो वेरी ट्रू दैट एवरी वन इज रिप्लेसेबल बिकॉज जैसे ही निकल जाता है इंसान तुरंत ही जेडी एंड प्रमोशंस एंड वैकेंसीज दैट स्टार्ट पोस्टेड फास्टर लेवल अर्जेंट चाहिए अर्जेंट वैकेंसी एंड ऑल बट यस कि मैंने बहुत सारी जगह पे ये भी देखा है while working that even the people who have worked for the organization and dedicated their life for more than 15 years, 20 years, but still they are repressible.
True.
ऐसा नहीं है कि उस टाइम पे भी कंपनी वो नहीं सोचती है कि नहीं इस बंदे ने जो है 20 साल दिए हैं अपनी लाइफ के but
True.
still sometimes company don't think that. So thank you so much for sharing this honestly. And yes,
Pleasure.
your experiences remind that behind every achievement is a human being navigating emotions, challenges, and growth. And yes, moving towards to the next part कि yes आजकल का जो youth है वो बहुत ही immense pressure में चल रहा है to achieve quickly and at the same time that many professionals proudly say that I haven't sleep, I was always busy, I'm constantly stressed जैसे हमारी बात हो रही थी. So almost as a burnout has become the status symbol. बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत सारी जगह पे यही बन गया है. So why do you think that we have normalized this burnout and how can we change this mindset?
I think, Prerna, to answer this, I mean, there are, of course, a lot of perspectives to it. First is the mediocrity, right? I'm sure you will also agree, and whoever is watching this, they also might agree to it. I'm sure they will agree that we all belong to mediocre families, and mediocre families don't have the cushion to take risks. So what we end up doing is we need to do some kind of job just to make sure that we are in a safe place, and then save a lot of money, and then we can take that plunge to have a different career, or to just switch to another career, or just pursue dance, just pursue music for that matter, some extraordinary or something which is not aligned to the traditional career that we see. This is one way to look at it. And which is why, to answer to what you have asked me, these are the badges, right? So even if some people are stuck, हम क्या करें? That is one way to look at it. And then there is another perspective to it which I want to share is, of course, these are the badges of honor that uh, we are generally I mean we are generally doing it. But and I think ये ऐसे ही हुआ है start because we have all those taglines, right? That Forbes 30 under 30, and we can see a lot of entrepreneurs who has started his or her own startup before he or she has turned 25. Then we are having a lot of people around that, the person has started content creation, and before 30 the person is a millionaire, right? So I think
Yes.
a lot of stress. I mean, we don't really understand, but subconsciously we are actually getting, or our subconscious mind is actually absorbing all these informations, and कहीं ना कहीं those comparisons and everything. मैं भी इंसान हूँ, मेरे साथ भी होता है. There is no point उस चीज़ को छुपाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. I think in the age of
Yes.
social media बहुत अच्छी है, but I think that boundary needs to be there. कहाँ पे हमें वो ड्रॉ करना है, that self awareness needs to be there. पहले अगर another perspective is, um, earlier we used to compare ourselves in a classroom, राइट? हमारी उतनी ही होती थी कि हाँ, हम क्लासरूम में एक दूसरे के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे अगर
Yes.
4 सेक्शंस होते थे, हम उसमें देखते थे कि अच्छा, दिस पर्सन इज़ डूइंग वेल, दिस पर्सन इज़ वेरी गुड इन दैट सेक्शन, दिस पर्सन इज़ वेरी गुड. बट कहीं न कहीं नाउ द कंपैरिज़न हैज़ बिकम ग्लोबल, right? And whenever,
Yes.
of course, when we are sharing achievements, there is another side to it also, which is kahi na kahi silently we are wearing these badges. Silently we are doing that, right? Whenever we open LinkedIn, I have trained, I mean, more than 700 graduates, to be more precise. Graduates, postgraduates, PhD level students. I have come across a lot of students who have done their PhD. इतना पढ़ाई करने के बाद those people are really having self doubt कि अब मैं क्या करूँ, what's next, what is the next thing that I'm going to do? And just imagine somebody who has done his or her PhD and then moving, the transitioning from academia to corporate. It's very difficult because the entire time he has spent in all these, all these preparations and all of that, the person has secluded himself or herself from the social media, from the social circle for that matter. And now the person has to transform himself or herself, right? So I
Yes.
think
Yes.
kahin na kahin, yes, what you're saying, that these are badges of honor. Honestly, as individuals, we need to ask ourselves, are these really, again I will repeat myself, are these really badges of honor? Comparison is not only, Prerna, comparison is not only the thief of joy. There's this saying that comparison is the thief of joy, but I think silently comparison is also the thief of confidence and clarity. कॉन्फिडेंस टूटता है, क्लैरिटी खत्म होती है. इवन इफ वी आर वेरी सॉर्टेड इंडिविजुअल्स, क्या हमारा टर्मोइल नहीं होता? डू वी नॉट फील सैड?
Yes.
डू वी आर वी नॉट फेसिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रगल? कुछ ना कुछ स्ट्रगल तो है ही, जो हम
Yes.
आई थिंक that is how we are living. And which is why this is the only thing why I have always thought I will build my academy not towards being another career readiness coach. Whenever you open your LinkedIn, you will always find there is, people achieving more and more. People have been promoted to XYZ position. People are doing so good in their life. You can find a lot of gyan whenever you are, and that algorithm also, once you start liking, once you start searching, it will again, give those stuffs only to you. But I think whenever you're searching on Instagram, whenever you're searching for interview tips on YouTube, you can find a lot of gyan to how to polish your LinkedIn. You can find a lot
Yes.
of gyan to how to make your resume, and now ATS friendly resume, right? You can find a lot of content on how to be confident, how to build yourself, uh, what posture you need to have, how to polish yourself in communication. But have you really, or do we really find a content on about the person who is behind all these confusions, all these lack of confidence, all these lack of clarity, the success, the failure? Nobody addresses that. Nobody addresses. कोई तो है
No.
उसके पीछे, वो सेल्फ डाउट के पीछे कोई तो है, एक इंटरव्यू जो
Yes.
खराब जाता है उसके पीछे कोई तो है ना? इंटरव्यू तो मेरा पॉलिश हो जाता है, बट व्हाट अबाउट द पर्सन जो इंटरव्यू रूम में घुसने से पहले, अंदर जाने से पहले वो काँपता है, द एंग्जायटी किक्स इन, व्हाट अबाउट दैट? So I think I am all about this in the world. So I want to address this, the human side of it.
Wonderful.
Honestly,
Yes, yes, yes.
no AI can replace. So I think my career is absolutely sorted. Just on a lighter note, yeah.
यस, राइटली सेड कि यस कि लोग जो है या फिर जो भी यंग प्रोफेशनल्स हैं या इवन हम लोग इंक्लूडिंग अस आल्सो, कि हम लोग भी कहीं ना कहीं क्लैरिटी हमें भी नहीं रहती है। एंड यस, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया कंटेंट ओवर देयर, ट्रेनिंग्स हैं, बहुत सारे वर्कशॉप्स भी चलते हैं, बट एवरी पर्सन का जो बैकग्राउंड है, उसका जो सर्कमस्टेंसेस है, दैट वुड बी नॉट सिमिलर।
Correct.
तो आई थिंक
100%.
कि एवरीवन जो भी हो रहा है, जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, दैट शुड बी कस्टमाइज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर स्किल्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर नॉलेज। तो तभी जो
Correct.
है वो कर पाएगा, नहीं तो फिर डेफिनेटली वो जो है अल्टीमेटली जस्ट दैट वुड बी सिंपल वर्कशॉप रहेगा। हमने ज्ञान थोड़ा दूसरा ले लिया, थोड़ा सा उसमें से इंसाइट्स ले लिए, एंड जस्ट वी आर मूविंग अहेड।
Right.
एंड
Absolutely.
यस, जो अभी सोशल मीडिया की जब बात चल रही थी कि यस, उसमें जो है कंपैरिजंस हम लोग बहुत सारे करते हैं। सो हाउ कैन यूथ फोकस कि ये सब जो है इससे भी बाहर निकले, एंड जो भी कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, ऑब्वियसली कहीं ना कहीं वो पोस्ट देखेंगे तो कंपैरिजन रह गई, बट हाउ दे कैन फोकस ऑन देयर मेंटल हेल्थ, मींस वो उनको इफेक्ट ना करे, हाउ दे कैन डू दैट?
I think one of the most important aspect to it is, see, there are certain changes every generation faces. There are certain changes that every not only generation, I mean an entire generation is in his or her entire life journey faces, right? पहले सोशल मीडिया नहीं होता था, अभी सोशल मीडिया होता है, but I think gearing up in every scenario is what we need to do. Again, not the bookish gyan that I would give, but rather, I think having, practically having boundaries is very important. Second thing is, self awareness is very important. Like how we are taught breath work, breathing, you need
Yes.
to be aware of the breath. Likewise, we need to be aware of what we are doing, what we are thinking, and not let comparison take over us. Questions are very important, not only to ask others, not only to ask our family members, but to ask ourselves. Am I doing really good? Again, at the cost of repeating myself, am I doing really good? Is this doing good to me in terms of my mental health? After comparing myself or after looking at it, am I in a good mental state? Whenever I'm waking up, What am I doing? Am I creating impact? And most importantly, am I satisfied? Also, sister, what happens is when we grow up, our needs changes. The term happiness is not happiness anymore at our age, right? It is peace. It has
Yes,
transformed. It has transformed the word happiness, the word joy. It has transformed to peace. Like how our career changes from different timestamps of our growth. Now the happiness is peace. Am I peaceful? Am I at peace when I'm doing this particular thing? So I think to answer you, this is what I always teach my students. I think once anybody and everybody who is 18, I think the sense of reasoning comes at the age of 7. But just to expand it, I think after 18, हमें लगता है that we are good to go in our life. ऐसा कोई नहीं होता जिसको सही गलत की पहचान नहीं होती, सही गलत की समझ नहीं होती. But the boundaries and the self awareness, what we are following, is it doing good to me, are the questions that we need to ask ourselves, and very aware we need to be. ऐसा नहीं कि one fine day we are just asking every single day, like how we are going to the washroom. It's very important to spend time, at least 5 minutes, at least 10 minutes. Even if you're not getting time, just before bed, the self reflection is very important. आज मैंने क्या किया, क्या मैं खुश हूँ. Again, mediocrity रहती है. Even if we are not happy, we need to do certain things, right? Because once we are matured, once we are doing certain things, so of course that is maturity. But I think we need to ask these questions. Yes, the core questions.
great. That's really insightful, dear sister. And yes, comparison truly steals joy, and your advice will certainly help many viewers who are watching us today. And yes, जैसे हमारी बात चल रही थी for the career choices. So yes, career choices can feel overwhelming, and many students that fear making that whether they are taking a wrong decision. So, what advice would you like to give to someone who feels lost or confused or anxious about choosing the right career?
Okay, all right. So again, since I'm a career readiness coach, I train students for the dream job that they want, right? And the dream job they will only get when they get through the interview, right? But when you're asking me about the right career, again, we have a lot of personality tests to test whether a person is a good fit for this particular job role or for this particular career. But I think the question is extremely linear because we are in the age that there is no right career. I mean, just imagine you are having this particular podcast. You are in two careers,
Yes,
right? This is one, and the other one that you're doing 9 to 5. So I think the question here is the best thing that I need to do to utilize my time and where I'm recognized. And after doing, I'm happy that I've created impact and I can sleep well, right? So I think right now the inflation is a thing, the datas of unemployment are a thing, and of course the mental health crisis, which is the real crisis right now. That is the thing. I think तीन चीजों को मिला के एक ही क्वेश्चन आता है. Right career is not important. How many careers we have is the question, because nobody is having only one career now. Each and everybody, पहले ये चीज शुरू हुई थी, the gig economy actually started with the thought that when a circumstance like COVID happens or recession comes, do we have a backup, right? But right now this has switched not only to luxury but something which is a basic necessity. We have 2 3 careers, and that's absolutely fantastic. And I just want to, give an example. Even if, let's say, somebody's feeling stuck, somebody is starting with the wrong career, or not really satisfied with the career that they are starting with. One example that I think everybody should remember is GPS, जो होता है हमारी गाड़ी में, है ना? हम जो, whatever we track our routes through GPS, right? GPS भी कहता है you have taken the wrong route. क्या वो क्या वो स्टॉप कर देता है कि okay, your journey is over? No, it does not stop.
No.
It gives the alternate route, right? कि okay, it's okay, you have taken the wrong route, no problem, this is how you can, you know you can repair your mistake. ये टर्न ले लो आप, या फिर आप थोड़ा आगे जाओ, उसके बाद ये टर्न है, आप जा सकते हो जहाँ पे आप जा रहे हो. So now it again applies to our career also. If I have to talk about myself, I have given, I've resigned from 3 jobs up till now because I come from a military family, and I had to leave my job. It's either or, either you can live with your family, or you can, have a very good career, a cushy career, and all of that. But now is zamane mein, you can have a very good career, you can leave everything, you can have a very good career. It's just that the impact that you're making, right? And you have proper strategies, proper systems and processes in your place, so you can do good. So there is not only a linear career that we need to have. I have also switched my career, right? But I think passively, I am a born HR. I mean, I cannot leave HR. So passively, I'm doing something for the HR itself. I'm on the other side of the table now. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. That's really wonderful, dear sister. And I can also relate with your views and insights कि आजकल जो है हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं दो कैरियर में ही होते हैं ज्यादातर, मल्टीपल कैरियर्स नाउ एज सोशल मीडिया हैज स्टार्टेड. सो कुछ जो है सोशल मीडिया कंटेंट बना रहे हैं, कुछ रील्स बना रहे हैं, दे आर लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स. नाउ एआई हैज आल्सो इवॉल्व्ड, तो एआई भी हम लोग सीख रहे हैं. तो कुछ ना कुछ जो है नई नई चीजें हम लोग लाते रहते हैं. And yes, moving forward, that we have often heard that word burnout, but many people don't recognize that until it's too late. So, how can someone identify the early signs of the career ambitions are beginning and they are affecting the mental health? And what should they do before burnout takes over?
Okay, a very good question. I think, again, as I've mentioned earlier also, tiredness and burnout both are different things, right? So I think, whenever we are tired, we say वो एक दिन का होता है, 2 दिन का होता है, 3 दिन का होता है. Let's say, for example, we had a very tough day and we are tired, right? We had a very busy day, we are tired. Some housewife, she can also say people are working 24 into 7, how homemakers are working 24 into 7. Those people are tired, right? But a simple smile from the family member makes her heart full. The same goes with a corporate professional, or anybody for that matter, somebody who is building his or her own thing. Burnout, the signs of burnout is, again, back to basics, questioning himself or herself. Am I aligned with the basic chores that everyone does or that I used to do before? Number two, am I sleeping well? Am I hydrating myself? Next is, am I exercising? Or let's not talk about exercising. Rather, am I taking care of my health holistically in this particular process? It's okay if you aren't able to pursue your hobby right now because it needs time. खाने के लिए भी समय नहीं होता है. We don't really have time to eat. Corporate professionals don't really have time to eat. But I think these questions are important to ask, that are my basics at place. Because when we grow up, the ultimate peace, the ultimate routine, the ultimate happiness is to just have discipline and routine. Those boring things every single day. Not fancy things, not partying, not anything. I mean, of course, I, I, I should not sound judgmental, but just for me, I'm telling, just the basic things in life. Are those things in place? Of course, the basic things. Uh, One of the most important aspect is family also. Are we able to give time
Yes.
to our family? Is the question. I have mentored a lot of MBA students, a lot of MBA graduates, preparing themselves for placements, and those people don't have time to talk with their mother, with their father for that matter. Not even 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. They are preparing, preparing, preparing. Corporate professionals, busy in their own life, not able to eat, not able to talk. There are changes in behaviors, communication, in patience, a lot of things. I think basics are important, Prerna. Yes.
Yes, yes, very true. And I would say that awareness truly is the first step towards this prevention. And
Absolutely.
मूविंग टुवर्ड्स दी आजकल जो है फेलियर का बहुत ज्यादा डर रहता है. But
Correct.
failure can shake anyone's confidence, whether it's exam, interviews, or any challenges at the work. So how can young people transform setbacks into opportunities for growth and resilience?
Okay. So, um, one thing that everyone will agree to, we have a lot of frameworks to succeed. आप ये करो, you'll get this. You do this, you will be best in the market. You perform this framework, you will be best. Nobody can beat you, right? If you apply this particular interview hack, nobody can uh, help you not to have the job. You will definitely have the job. I just want to ask everybody, any institute, any placement cell, any academies for that matter, any B school, do they teach how to fail? How to fail, nahi? How to, you know, get the failure? I mean, how to make
Face the
sure
failure.
we are not.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Do they teach us how to handle failure?
No one teaches us.
No one teaches us how to handle failure. No one does that. I'm sorry, beach mein, I was not able to put that in words, but nobody teaches us what to do when you fail. Nobody teaches us. So I think this is one, and the other thing, where to go when someone fails. It is not always that I'm having this interview mistake. That is why I've not landed this job. No, it can be mindset. It can be some behavioral changes that one needs to do, or maybe somebody who just wants to feel heard. That is why the person is not cracking this particular interview, right? So it's very important. There is no ebook to handle failure. And I think failure is something that teaches us the most. Who has not failed in life? I think we all should, before embracing success, I think failure to har kisi ne dekha hai. I think that is something that we
Yes.
need to embrace on. And the learnings, one, two, three, four. Man, these are the learnings that you need to focus on. I mean, of course, just to because I handle a lot of teenagers. I handle a lot of uh, you know my wordings are a little Gen Z, but yeah, वो असर है youngsters के साथ काम करने का असर है, that your wordings also changes. So yeah,
Yes. Yes.
whenever I counsel somebody and the person is like, when the person is very happy, she will be like this, you do something like this. So it's
Yes.
that. So yeah.
True,
So I
true,
think
true.
handling failure is one of the most important thing that one need to focus on. And in my academy, I always share this particular framework which I'm going to tell it now. I tell this to my students, to my candidates, to the participants of the workshops and all of that which I do. It's the care framework, right? It is the care framework. Competence होनी चाहिए. Now competence is what? Your LinkedIn is good, your resume is good, ठीक है, सारी चीज़ें, everything technicalities, those are at place. Okay. Care framework. A, acceptance and awareness. राइट, एक्सेप्टेंस एंड अवेयरनेस. जब हम अवेयर होते हैं, हम खुद को एक्सेप्ट ही तो कर रहे हैं, तब जाके हम कोई भी चीज़ कर पाएंगे. राइट, अवेयर, एम आई डूइंग गुड, राइट, व्हाट आर माई स्ट्रेंथ्स, व्हाट आर माई वीकनेसेस. हम कुछ भी चीज़ स्टार्ट करने के समय हम स्वॉट एनालिसिस करते हैं, राइट. सो वाई नॉट स्वॉट एनालिसिस टू आर सेल्व्स एट द फर्स्ट.
Yes,
Resilience.
very true.
Our resilience is very, very important. We need to teach people, or students for that matter. Resilience is one of the most important skill after patience that everybody needs to have. The grit to bounce back. हमने अपनी ज़िंदगी में प्रेरणा, वी हैव, इवन इफ वी, हमारे ज़माने में इतना मेंटल हेल्थ नहीं होता था, but I'm glad that now each and every feeling has a name, each and every circumstance has a name, each and every problem has a name, and we can address it. Ki I'm feeling XYZ, right? So
Yes,
resilience is whatever problems that we are having. So resilience हमने भी दिखाई थी. हमें पता नहीं था कि this is a mental health problem or this is something that we are facing, but we pushed. And I think that concept we need to take, even if somebody is a Gen Z, somebody is a Gen Alpha or whatever. Everybody needs to take it. Key, pushing ourselves is very, very important. At the time when we can't push ourselves, pushing is important, and that is nothing but resilience, right? And of course, E, which is very important, emotional intelligence. Handling emotions. We can have a lot of emotions, but how to handle it? When I'm speaking, when I'm being a speaker here, if I am asked, can I handle my emotions very nicely? My answer to that would be no. I can't. There are times when I break down, but am I aware? Emotional intelligence also says that are you aware of the emotions that you're going through? So yes, I am aware. Do you know how to overcome it? Yes, I know how to overcome it. But right now, can you? No, right now I can't. I need to cry, right? So I think we all go through, and emotional intelligence is important. Yes.
that's really great, dear sister, and you have explained it so wonderfully and in a very simple manner, I would say कि carefree. And जो भी youth लोग सुन रहे होंगे या फिर जो भी audience सुन रहे होंगे, definitely they would relate to this. And yes, I would also say that failures doesn't define us. Our
Yes.
response to them that define us.
Absolutely.
And yes, we are getting very good comments by the audience. So
Thank
our
you.
global chair, Anita ma'am, she has also commented that that's why it's so important to know ourselves as best as we can. When I worked at local restaurant, I worked with a short ordered cook. He had his PhD. However, once completed, he realized that was not what he was really interested in.
Right.
And Vaidyanathan sir has also commented so much to learn from Dia. Thanks.
Thank you very much. I think one thing I need to say is देर है अंधेर नहीं is what, you know, देर हो सकता है,
Yes,
better late than never, right? I think in the age of social media, the brighter side is there are a lot of people who are starting at 74. And when we see
yes,
this, no better inspiration than that, right? So good sides of social media. I think अगर comparison करके कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, very important. Go for it.
yes. I've also seen on social media ki one old lady, she started studying at 94 age and she passed 10th. So it's
Isn't
really
it
wonderful to
incredible?
see such. Yes, yes, it's really
Beautiful,
wonderful.
beautiful.
And even my grandmother was studying ABCD with me at age of 87 years.
Oh
So
my
she
God.
was fond of learning. She was telling me कि मुझे सिखाओ. मैं
Very
स्लेट पे
nice,
उनको
very
एबीसीडी
nice.
सिखाती थी एंड शी वाज सो हैप्पी टू लर्न एबीसीडी एंड ऑल. बहुत हैप्पी होती थी एंड रियली वो बात सुन के मुझे मेरी ग्रैंडमदर की याद आ गई.
Very
And
nice, very
yes,
nice.
moving ahead, let's make this practical for our audience. So, what simple daily habits or boundaries or mindset shifts that can help students and professionals to stay mentally strong during high pressure situations?
Okay, all right. I think practical ways are nothing but what we practice in every what we practice every single day, and in every single situation when we are there, right? So I think one of the biggest mental shift is having boundaries. Again, at the cost of repeating myself, it's very very important to have boundaries. If this is not making me happy, then I'm not going to do it, right? Next is celebrating so small wins. When our child or when somebody does good, don't we pat them कि हाँ अच्छा किया, very nice? How many
Yes,
times, Marina, and everybody listening, how many times have we patted our back?
very
I
less
mean,
or negligible.
हमने खुद को कितना सपोर्ट किया है, खुद को कितना सपोर्ट किया है, और कितनी बार हमने खुद को बोला है शाबाश, क्या किया? क्या हमने बोला है? नहीं, क्योंकि वो सिचुएशन भी खत्म हो जाता है, उसके बाद भी मूव ऑन. हमने खुद को नहीं बोला, हमने खुद को शाबाशी नहीं दी. दिस इज वन. Another is celebrating every small win. Let's say, for example, if somebody wants to start exercise, एक दिन में of course 30 minutes मुश्किल है, but just 2 push-ups a day. Is the person not going to be happy? Not the target. Has the person not fulfilled the target? दो ही सही, but that small win is start करना ज़रूरी है. नेक्स्ट डे इज कंसिस्टेंट रहना ज़रूरी है. थर्ड डे पेन हो रहा है लेकिन आज तो ज़रूर करना है. सो आई थिंक दीज स्मॉल विन्स, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, हमारी ज़िंदगी भी तो एक दिन करके पूरी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो जाती है. मैंने आई लुक बैक, ओके मेरी एज इतनी हो गई है, लाइक ओ माई गॉड, यस, one day at a time. So why are we not celebrating small wins? Let's say for example, अगर मैं 6 घंटे सोती हूँ, आज मैंने 7 घंटे सोया, मौका मिला 7 घंटे सोने का. Isn't it a very good win? Yes, it is. Again, back to
Yes,
basic, celebrating, you know, small wins. Again, one of the important things I think to maintain the mental health is not agreeing to each and everything which is given to us. To put it in the normal way, what we know is saying no. We need to learn to say no. बहुत ज़रूरी है. No in the best way. And the best way I have learned, I was watching this podcast, podcast nahi. I was watching this video of Ankur Warikoo. Oh my God, what a human he is. He embraces failure. I think everybody should watch him. Um, One thing he was saying, there is a very good way to say no. To ask the person himself, to ask the person who is there in the front, is it okay if I say no to this particular project? The person will automatically say, no, 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 no problem. So it's a good, polite way, because what we do is we connect no with impoliteness. So this is a very polite way of saying no. Let's say for example, if you don't want to go out and your friend says, or anybody whom you don't want to say no asks you that, can you come over in this weekend, just ask them itself, would you mind if I say no, that I can't come because I have xyz things to do? The person himself वो आगे बढ़ के कहेंगे, no, it's okay, it's No problem, it's okay. So you have maintained your politeness and you have got what you wanted. And of course, you have said no, congratulations, right? So I think these things, I mean,
Wonderful.
I always tell my students, I always tell people, it's a very good practice. I mean, we all should do it. And of course, with a smile on your face. Smile is the biggest ornament that we have, right? So, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much for this wonderful tip. And definitely जो है ना ये बहुत काम आएगा, whether it's personal or
That's,
professional life.
yeah.
And yes, the habits which you had told ki yes, celebrate small wins. That is much more important, I would say. Be consistent. At least start doing things. हम लोग जो है सोचते हैं कि कल से करेंगे. नो डाउट, अगर आप 5 मिनट में नहीं कर पाते हैं, स्टार्ट विद, जैसे आपने बताया कि स्टार्ट विद 2 पुशअप्स or start with
Yes.
2 squats or 5 minutes or 2 minutes of silence. That is also a smallest habit. And
Yes.
yes, I would say that's such a smallest habits that create the biggest transformation. धीरे धीरे जो है वो बोलते हैं हमारे हिंदी में, बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है. तो
बिल्कुल.
डेफिनेटली हम लोग जो है इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं. एंड यस, अभी नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है, एंड आई वुड say that every viewer would love to reflect upon. So if success comes at the cost of your peace of mind, so is it truly success, or how should today's generation redefine success?
Okay, all right. So, I mean, this is a question which is usually used and asked, what success means to you. Now, everybody has different perspective. किसी के लिए सक्सेस हैविंग मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स, किसी के लिए सक्सेस एक्सपीरियंसेस हो सकता है, किसी के लिए सक्सेस इंस्पायरिंग हो सकता है, इंस्पायरिंग अदर पीपल, किसी के लिए सक्सेस हो सकती है कि am I satisfied, right? So success, of course, it actually varies from people to people, individual to individual. It is individual centric, rather, to put it precisely. But I think amidst all of these, the most important thing is, am I doing good or am I happy? Because सारे चीज़ों में एक थिंग कॉमन है, विच इज़ हैप्पीनेस. सेटिस्फैक्शन
Yes,
में भी उस इंसान को खुशी मिल रही है. एक गाड़ी ले ली मैंने, उससे मुझे खुशी ही मिली. मैं हर दिन इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर रही हूँ, उससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है. सो आई थिंक द कोर इज सेम, जस्ट दैट द प्रोसेस इज डिफरेंट, राइट? So if I have to, or if you ask me, what exactly success is, I think, to put it in words, it would always be purpose. What is the purpose, right? I was interacting with a very valued human being, a person who has done very good things in his life, a very good position and everything. I think one thing that I have kept from the conversation that I had with him is, he told, inspire before expire. I want to inspire before I expire. हमें सारी चीज़ें पता होती है, but I think there are some idioms, some wordings which stays with you, right? Again, if you ask me about redefining success, I think as Gen Z's now, I think having boundaries are very, very important. That is success, right? But I think questioning the fact that, is productivity the only meter of success? No. In my office also, since I did post graduation diploma in counseling, I was aware of the mental health thing. And since I've told that a lot of pilot projects were done in my organization through me, one of the most important projects that I had worked on was mental wellness for employees, right? It's very, very important to have a survey of each and every individual who is working there. The person might not be happy with the salary that he or she is getting, might be some conflict जो underlining है, जो हमें पता नहीं है, correct? So I think it's very, very important to that check-ins are very important. Every single time हम check कर रहे हैं, is this okay, are you okay, right? So I think success is, again, back to the basics. Success तभी है जब हम हैं, and we are not defined only by the productivity that we have. Somebody can sit the whole day and doing nothing, and somebody who is trying the best, trying his or her best, trying to be productive but not actually mentally well. Can we call it productivity? No, we cannot call it productivity. So it's very important to again question ourselves, question our employees, question the candidates, and I think that is what success is. Qualitative things are important. Numbers में उसको बाद में we can have charts, we can have through Power BI, we can have a lot of good charts, a very designed pie charts, a very colorful pie chart, but the human side, I mean, no AI can just, let's say for example, if somebody is sad, AI can give you solutions, but can AI give you the warmth of the hug? No, it cannot. AI cannot. So we need
Yeah.
humans, and humans are beautiful, right? And the success. I mean, professional success is okay, but at the process, I think we don't need to lose ourselves, is what I need to preach. Yes.
Yes. Very true, dear sister. And yes, I would say that that's a very powerful reminder that true success includes happiness, health, relationships, and inner peace also.
Yes, absolutely.
And yes, let's challenge a common belief that what is the one myth about career success that you wish every young person would stop believing?
Can you repeat, please?
What is the one myth about career success that you wish every young person would stop believing?
Okay. One career myth. One career myth is I am not replaceable. That is a myth that people have. People
Yes.
are working day and night thinking कि अगर मैं ये काम नहीं करूँगी तो कौन करेगा? And that enthusiasm of freshers, I tell you, when I train freshers for that matter, precisely, they are filled with so much enthusiasm, and early working professionals also, people who have just started their career 1 to 3 years के बीच में, they work like anything, as if वो अगर काम नहीं करेंगे कंपनी बंद हो जाएगी. Let me tell everybody, you are extremely replaceable, my dear. और आप इतनी जल्दी रिप्लेस हो जाओगे, आपको समझ भी नहीं आएगा कि आप रिप्लेस हो गए. करेक्ट. So so it's very
Yes.
important to break that myth. Every single day, every single night, we are just working day and night, filling up sheets early in the morning, attending calls late at night, working, when the financial year is about to close, working day and night for the balance sheet. I mean, हम कितना कुछ कर रहे हैं. हमारे परमिशन से कुछ नहीं हो सकता, है ना? आई मीन एज एचआर्स हम ऐसे करते हैं कि हमारे परमिशन के बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता. हम अगर ये डिसाइड करेंगे तो ही होगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's so temporary that we don't even understand that what we are going through, what we can go through, right? So I think I'm doing one unfavorable thing for the companies also, that I always teach youngsters: please understand that you're replaceable. Please have boundaries. I mean, I train them for interviews, I train them to have very good resumes, I train them to be absolutely top notch confident, but I think in the process I'm stuck to my goal, that to understand the person behind it and also motivate them that आपके बिना भी कंपनी चल सकती है. आप ये माइंडसेट लेके जाओ प्लीज. you know giving that um,
Yes.
they are a clean slate, but कुछ तो उसमें मैं भर देती हूँ कि ये चीज आर देयर, आप समझ के जाओ.
Yes. Be mentally ready with that पर्सपेक्टिव
Yes.
क्योंकि नहीं तो क्या है कि वो मिथ रहता है कि नो आई एम समथिंग मेरे बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता है मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ तो
Yes.
यस it is very easily replaceable every employee is replaceable whether they have contributed 1 month or 20 years or 25 years there's no such criteria also
Yes,
and yes at the
absolutely.
end मैं ये भी पूछना चाहूंगी कि you are providing many services. So, would you like to highlight your services which you are providing in your academy and also I heard that you are also supporting PWC students also. So would you like to
Yes.
highlight that?
Yes, wonderful. I mean, it's good that you have, you know, when we were interacting, I told you that this is one of the things that I've done because, I mean, apart from the podcast, we are also a part of one community, and the community is doing absolutely great. I think we all are supporting each other, and the best thing amongst us is, understanding each other, right? So I think on a very serious note, impact is what we need to focus on, and one of the biggest, I think one of the satisfying job, or one of the satisfying experience that I had was to train PWD students, people with physical disabilities, right? So, when somebody comes up to me and then says, "Ma'am, I'm feeling more confident," that, honestly, I'm telling you, that makes my day. That makes my day. That makes my purpose successful,
Yes,
right? When somebody regains his or her self-worth, that gives me immense happiness. And that immense happiness becomes double when somebody who is already having a disability says that, "मैम, आपके सेशंस अटेंड करके हमें खुद से प्यार हुआ है, आपके सेशंस अटेंड करके ये फील हुआ है that I am something." Because people with disabilities, who better knows of lack of self-worth and confidence than the PWD students? They are already disabled, but I call them specially abled. They are blessed with something or the other, honestly.
yes,
And when I trained them, so it was a 15-day boot camp that I did for them. It was associated with an NGO, and that was interview mastery. So when you ask me about the services that I provide, it is B2B, campus to corporate is what I provide, and B2C, a lot of things for individuals who are in this particular process, for that matter, whether it is one-to-one interview coaching, whether it is, giving workshops on different things, on confidence, clarity, communication, mental health, awareness, anything and everything, because I'm a soft skill trainer also. And I not only focus on the technical aspect of it, the technical aspect of jobs, getting jobs, but rather the person behind it, right? So if I have to talk about the services that I give to students personally, yes, interview coaching. I create their resumes, I review and create their resumes. I optimize LinkedIn profile. I provide the service of LinkedIn optimization also, because personal branding is the most important thing. Everything is brand,
correct.
and that is something
Yes,
nobody can take away from you, right? So that is something that I do. And of course, a lot of workshops, right? So under my academy, I do a lot of workshops for them. And yeah, a lot of counseling, whether individual counseling, group counseling. I do that. So I think that is what counseling में ही तो, पता लगता है people are struggling. And all my
yes,
workshops, I always focus on the human behind the polished resume and the polished LinkedIn, right? So
that's
that is something that I'm living for.
wonderful. And you are doing really amazing work because हमारे टाइम में तो ऐसा कोई गाइडेंस देने वाला भी नहीं था. And sometimes we still hesitate before entering the interview. So yes, you are doing fantastic work because आजकल के ज़माने में that's really competitive world I would say because earlier it was not like that. So it's must to have proper guidance, प्रॉपर जो है अच्छे तरीके से जो है समझाया जाए बच्चों को दैट यस फेलियर इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. अगर कभी इंटरव्यू पास नहीं होता है तो यस डेफिनेटली इट्स डजंट फील दैट यू हैव फेल्ड इन लाइफ. बट यस विथ योर वर्कशॉप आई वुड डेफिनेटली से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को काफी फायदा होता होगा एंड they would be doing really great in their careers with your proper guidance and support. And yes, इच्छा तो नहीं हो रही है this session to end. But before we conclude, I would like to speak. that I would like you to speak directly to every student, every young professional, and every dreamer who is watching this podcast. So, if someone feels overwhelmed, anxious, or uncertain about their future, so what message would you like to give them that they would carry for life?
I think there are two things. Okay, like what you said, आपने जो कहा गाइडेंस देने के लिए अभी लोग हैं, आई थिंक एक स्टेप बढ़ के मैं ये सबको कहना चाहती हूँ, यू कैन फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू गाइड यू। गाइडेंस देने के लिए बहुत लोग हैं। मैं ऐसी हूँ, मैं गाइडेंस तो दूंगी, सबसे पहले आपको समझूंगी, समझने के लिए मैं, आपको समझने के लिए मैं, ठीक है। सो एनीबडी वांट टू डू वन टू वन और एनीथिंग, एनीथिंग फॉर दैट मैटर। आई थिंक मेंटल हेल्थ क्राइसिस इसीलिए हुआ है। You know, I always say to my clients, to everybody I meet, there is this saying called water, water everywhere, not a single drop to drink. Right? I say, I put it that this way: people everywhere, not a single person to talk. We are exceeding in population. We have, now outpassed China. But the question is, are we not lonely? We are. A
Yes.
lot of, I mean, currently the scenario is, of course, the CJP, I don't want to get into the political thing, but a lot of people committed suicide, right? उन्होंने क्यों किया? सपोर्ट नहीं था इसीलिए किया। अगर सपोर्ट था तो भी बोलने के लिए बोल नहीं पाए, इसीलिए किया। दिल में बोझ था
Yes.
कि मैं, दिल में ये बोझ था कि मैंने ये क्या किया, इसके बाद मैं क्या करूँगा, मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया है, इसके बाद व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट। लोगों ने
Yes.
सुसाइड अपने सिचुएशन के लिए किया। लोगों ने सुसाइड इसीलिए किया कि आई कुड हैव प्रूवन माई सेल्फ, बट मैं खुद को प्रूव नहीं कर पाया, इसीलिए किया। राइट? पेरेंट्स हमें बड़ा करते हैं, एक एक दिन निकल जाता है, एवरी सिंगल डे, बट कहीं ना कहीं हम दूर भी तो हो रहे हैं ना।
Yes.
Are we not distancing ourselves? We are, right? So one message is this, कि गाइडेंस के लिए तो मैं हुई, बट सबसे पहले आपको समझने के लिए हूँ। I'm there to understand you. I'm there to understand the human behind all the paper, all the social media thing that you have. I want to talk to you is number one. And number two, please love yourself. I know it's very, very difficult. It's very difficult to love yourself. I think one of the primary things is what we face, कि करियर को हम अपने सेल्फ वर्थ के साथ जोड़ देते हैं। वी आर मोर देन दैट।
Yes.
क्या हमारा लाइफ का पर्पस सिर्फ यही है कि हम कितना अच्छा जॉब करें? नो no. इसके लिए तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि वी ऑल आर लिविंग और वी हैव बीन गिवन बर्थ। देयर इज मोर टू इट, देयर इज मोर टू इट। Our self worth is not tied to the professional titles that we have, is what I need to say. These two, nothing more.
Wonderful. It's really wonderful, and I got goosebumps also by listening to this. And yes, I would also like to add कि yes, life is more precious than marks.
100%. 100%.
Not life is so much precious कि इतनी भी सस्ती नहीं है हमारी लाइफ की जो हम लोग जो है सुसाइड का प्लान कर रहे हैं. I would say yes, it would be struggling, it would be challenging. एंड यस
Yes.
अगर हमने एक एग्जाम में फेल हो गए तो डेफिनेटली जो है एक कहीं ना कहीं और प्रेशर रहेगा. तो बट यस इतनी भी सस्ती नहीं है कि हम लोग जो है सिर्फ एक एग्जाम की वजह से हम अपनी लाइफ को भी गवा दें. तो
यही बात
यस
है, ये हमारा पर्सपेक्टिव है, ये हमारा पर्सपेक्टिव है, शायद ये उनका पर्सपेक्टिव था, दैट इज व्हाई दिस पीपल हैव टेकन देयर लाइफ। Nobody does this for attention. This is not an attention seeking behavior. The person does not
यस
want attention, the person wants support. And when the person wants support, the person does not want gyan. Gyan is everywhere. They want shoulders, they want a trustworthy place to share whatever they feel, right?
वेरी ट्रू वेरी ट्रू. So, dear sister, thank you so much for sharing your wisdom, practical insights, and heartful experiences with us today. And yes, your message beautiful reminds us that success should never demand the sacrifice of our mental well-being.
Yes.
When we nurture both our careers and our emotional health, we create a foundation of a life that is not only successful but also meaning and fulfilling. And
Yes,
I
yes.
really truly appreciate your time and incredible work you are doing through Skillwell Academy to empower young professionals across India.
Thank you.
And yes,
Thank you.
any short message would you like to give for International Youth Day, which is coming in August?
Yes. One thing is, we are youth. We can do everything that we want. We are youth. We can do everything that we want. Let's create impact,
Yes,
is what I need to say. Let's safeguard ourselves. Let's create impact. And let's be happy, no matter what. It's tough, but it's not impossible. We can, right?
yes, wonderful. So, friends, as we are approaching International Youth Day on 12th August, so let us remember that our youth are not just the leaders of tomorrow, they are the
Yes.
change makers of today.
Right.
So, when we invest in their confidence, mental well being, and career readiness, we build stronger communities, compassionate workplaces, and a brighter future for everyone. So, I'm not liking to do the sign off. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था. It's like I would like to have the endless conversation with you, dear sister. It's really wonderful. And
Pleasure
but
is
we
mine.
have to end this session also.
I know. Pleasure is mine. I mean, every single time we interact, it is always something which is remarkable, right? And we always talk about creating impacts and always talk about the human behind what we are doing. I think that is what connects us also, right?
Yes,
And thank you very much for inviting me in your esteemed platform. You are doing a very good job because not everybody जो एक्शन लेता है वो तो है ही but you are actually being a mediator and the stories the questions that you ask it is nothing more than I mean it is more than what a person is I mean वो पता लगता है कि क्या इम्पैक्ट हम कर रहे हैं राइट प्रोफेशन से आगे बढ़ के क्या हम इम्पैक्ट कर रहे हैं आई थिंक दैट इज़
yes,
what you preach and that is what you do right? It is my pleasure that you have invited me in your esteemed platform. And all the listeners who are there, thank you very much. My pranam to you and all my good wishes to you, to your profession, to your good health. Thank you very much.
thank you. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
friends, if today's conversation has inspired you, so don't like to comment and share. And also, what you have learned from this session, or what insights you have taken from this session, please do comment us. And if you have any query related to the career, please do connect us, or please do connect directly Dia sister. She would definitely help us and support you in your career guidance. And
Thank
yes,
you.
until our next episode, please remember that success is not measured only by how high you are rising, but how peacefully you grow while reaching your dreams. So, I am Prerna Vaswani, and this is the Prerna Spreading Inspiration, where every story inspires, every voice matters, and every conversation creates a positive impact. So, thank you so much for watching us. Stay inspired, stay resilient, and take care of your mental well being. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good
Thank
wishes.
you.